At the time of recording this video, it has been a little over 3 years since my son Timothy decided to grow his hair out. So it's time to give you all an update on this journey and talk about our best practices. And I'm also going to update you all on the new journey he will be embarking on soon, like really soon. If you are new to this channel, it's important to note the flow of our wash day has been the same since almost day one. And the only thing that really changes for us is our frequency. Don't worry if you follow this channel, I am not here to repeat that being patient when detangling Timothy's hair has helped me retain his length. I'm not here to repeat that deep conditioning his hair every wash day is what's helping me retain his moisture.
Nope.
Yet the real game changer with Timothy's hair has truly been me being really strict with his bi-weekly wash day schedule. When I push Timothy wash day for just too long, detangling takes forever. And I feel like Timothy has experienced a lot of unnecessary breakage because of my procrastination. 2 weeks is definitely the max for him because he doesn't always sleep with his bonnet. And I know he's not always wearing that hat after school. Look at you, caught you. What you doing?
I dropped my bag.
You dropped your bag?
Yeah, I dropped my bag.
Boy. Yet, I must admit, Timothy hair has been the easiest to maintain and grow within my family. And that's because I've learned from the mistakes that I've made on myself in my daughter's hair. I highly encourage those who are struggling with their hair to check out the videos I have in the iCards above, because I truly feel certain things that we did at the beginning of Timothy's journey has definitely led us to this point. Recently, we have been experimenting a lot with blowing out his hair. And I must say, styling is much faster because his ends are not retangling around themselves. Yet, I prefer to re-wet Timothy's hair after twisting down his length. But regardless, if I blow out his hair or style his hair in its curly state, it still takes me 3 days to complete his wash day. And seriously, that's becoming an issue. So let's talk about Timothy's new journey. I have been growing and maintaining natural hair for over 8 years now. And I'm at a point where, because I have a standard of not rushing through our hair, regardless if I'm tired or not, I'm kind of at a point where I'm over 3-day wash day sessions. So I'm locking Timothy's hair. I truly thought I was going to have more energy to maintain his loose natural hair now that my daughter and I are locked. But honestly, the opposite happened when it came to me looking forward to his wash day. I would literally drag my feet because it took me 30 minutes max to do my daughter's hair and literally days to do Timothy's hair. And I love his hair, but I'm truly at a point where I'm I can't mentally do this anymore. And when I say do this, I am just referring to detangling. Anything else in regards to natural hair, I'm game for. It is just detangling that I'm over. And in full transparency, detangling our hair has always took me a long time. This is something that's not brand new for me. And I honestly wish that I can describe what I'm feeling beyond just saying I'm over it, but that's truly how I feel, and I don't want to sugarcoat it. And honestly, big chopping again for myself or my daughter, and now Timothy, was not an option. We put years of hard work into retaining the length that we do have. So cutting off our hair is completely off the table. The only other option is locking our hair. So if you do decide to continue to follow this channel and support me in any way, please know you're going to still get, videos about maintaining healthy natural hair, loose and locked hair, and the mental mindset we all need to have when we return natural, because I think that is just so vital. However, I just wanted to be fully transparent with you all because that's how I started on this channel, and let you all know hey, my family, majority of the family members in this household is gonna have locked hair. Don't worry, I still have a sister who has loose natural hair, and she promised to still come on the channel. So I'll still be doing videos on her hair. Yet, if you are struggling with her natural hair, this is the science behind why the flow of our wash day hasn't changed since day one. So if you really want to retain your length, you need to check this out.
So I got the products of this hair, and she might put it in my hair because my hair kind of looks like hers. You see it? It's long, right?